Hello, this is lesson 108. This is Mrs. Ross, and this is lesson 108 practice set. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so use the formula A is equal to B times H to find B when A is equal to 20 and H is equal to 4. So let's plug in what we know. Okay, so if A is equal to 20, we don't know what B is, and H is equal to 4, then I know I'm going to have to divide to find B. So 4 over 4 is 1, B comes down, my equals comes down, 20 divided by 4 is 5. Use the formula A is equal to 1/2 base times height, that's the area of a triangle, to find base when A is 20 and H is 4. So we're going to plug in what we know. So A is 20 is equal to 1/2 B, which I don't know, times 4. So I know that, let's see, this is going to be 4 over 2b, because this is 4 over 1, and all I did was multiply these two things, which gives me 2b. Now I can divide, and I get b is equal to 10. Okay, use the formula F is equal to 1.8 times C plus 32 to find F when C is equal to negative 40. So again, I'm going to plug in Chub. So F is equal to 1.8 times negative 40. This is the conversion formula for Fahrenheit to, or Celsius to Fahrenheit. So F is equal to, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this. 1.8 times negative 40 is going to give me negative 72 plus 32. So F is equal to negative 40. For real, for real? For real, for real. All right, next one. The formula for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius is often given as this. How are 9/5 and 1/8 related? Well, let's see. If I go ahead and divide 5 by 9, 9 divided by 5 is 1.8. So really, this is just the fraction version, and that's the decimal version. Okay, and these are star problems, so I'm going to go ahead and do that in a different video.